What's going on? Welcome back to another video. This video I'm gonna quickly go over the things I've done so far and then go from there. Clean up some code, fix some things. First, what I did was this is the current lab, but the lab before this. Pull it up real quick. 303. Pretty much just made these two new sections. Comments API, which, I mean, anyone can add comments and they can be edited. So adding comments to our bugs. And adding test cases just means whether it passed or failed. And I'll show what those do really quickly. So we got the comments, get bug comments. Oh, I have to connect to the server first. Find a project, npm run, start dev. There we go, it's up and running. Try it again. These are all the bug comments. These are the bug IDs. Or no, this is the bug ID. And it gets the comments for that bug ID. So this bug ID is 3 comments. And getting by a specific ID, D1, comment ID. So you see this 84, which is right here. Returns hello world. Create comment. That right here. This is the one I made. Comments 84 generates the ID. Test cases. This one gets bugs by ID. Gets tests by bug ID. Bug ID D5 gets all the tests for it. It's only 2. Deleted these 2. I gotta fix this so they don't return null and just completely go away. Get test ID. I can do this one. Get test ID C4 CF returns that. Create test case. So I did here passed 7.3, which I end up deleting actually. But I've tested these multiple times. This one most recently. Test deleted for bug. That works really well. Yeah, easy lab. This one's a little more complicated. So basically, it is get rid of this one. We got user. I've done all these so far. I checked off. I'll show those really quick too. Keywords, role, max age. These are query parameters using rec.query, which is the request, the enter data. So basically, we got. I don't know if I have it on here actually. It's only in my code, I think. Oh no, we're using this. Okay. Um, index aggregation. Open this up. Oh, that's not it. Open this. Not that. I want to open up. My gosh. And then, what else? Let's test use issue tracker. Make sure in there. Use issue tracker. Let's do this real quick. Use issue tracker. Keywords. But yeah, this showing all the results from the last one. Everything works perfectly. Um, package JSON index, database, test, database. This is where I have all the functions. Get all, there we go. Get all users by role, get all users by max age. As you can see here, it gets the role, which I'm pretty sure is in here now, no? I'm confused. I don't know if I'm in the right thing. Figuring this out, because I haven't worked on this in like 2, 3 days. Also, what these even are. I'll just leave it there though. Bugs, edits, test case. I'm confused. Get all users. Would it be here? Get users. Um, Get all users by max. I swear I made tests for these. Get all users. Oh, there we go. It's under, I forgot, it's under get all users. Okay. So yeah, this works. So these are query parameters. Normally use body, but we're not using encoded. We're using basically what you type in and then it gets stored up here. That's the difference between body and this one. There's a between body and params. Params go in here, the question mark, and if it's the thing role is developer, basically looking for it, and then like this one, it's in the path. Um, Role developer, and it searches for that. It only determines if it has the role of developer, like these two. Take it off. It does just API/users. Nice some water. Next one, this basically means max, so it's everything less than 30, less than September 30th and below. The minimum age is at least October 3rd and above. So you can see here, 9:30. Oh, wait, no, I got that wrong. It's backwards. 9:30 and up. And the minimum is that and below. Okay. Yeah. Last created date 26th, 28th, 2nd, 30. I don't know why this one's like that, but okay. Oh, I was looking at the wrong date. Okay. Cool. Um, that's where I'm at so far. Work this real quick and figure out what to do next. Um, Sort by. This one I kind of started on. I'm gonna do this. This is normally how I work on these. Um, Sort by. Where is that at? That's in my. Let me close all these. This is in my users. Users right API. Let's do sort. Let's just search for giving name. Given name. And then there we go. Sort by. If minimum age, if sort by, query that sort, it stores all these into this queries, getting these from record.query, and then these are allowed sorts. If one of the allowed sorts, if it includes something you typed, gets the value of one of these or multiple, then it sorts it in this direct order. Given name, and this basically is the order. So one means oldest to newest, and then -1 means newest to oldest. Pretty sure at least. I still test it out. That sounds right though. Query that sort. I don't even know if I fully tested this yet, so I'm gonna have to try this out really quick. With the switch statement or if statements. Yeah, I did if statements. I could try with a switch statement, but maybe I'll switch over eventually. Um, Extra fields listed above are to make the order stable. Okay. Guess we just try it. If sort by. Okay. Add a new key. Sort by. Let's do this. Sort by given name. Wait, how do you do this? Sort by given name. See, now I'm confused because the value can't be. It's a little confusing, I'm not gonna lie. Um, looking for users. Sort by Drake. Let's see if that does anything. Nope. It returned the last one. Oh wait, let's get rid of this for now. Invalid sort parameter. Okay. I need some information returned so I know what I'm doing wrong. Manage database. Let's get database. Get all used by manage. I'm not returning anything. That's the problem. I need to get all ages. Users by sort. Const users. Um, let's try that. I guess const users equals. Okay. Nope. That's not correct. Um, I don't know what this means. If while by sort. Why can't I? Oh, if it's correct, then right here I should be able to put it. Const user equals. Await get all users. I don't need to do that. Get all users by sort. Sort by. I guess we'll try this. This should work. Get all users by sort. Um, allowed sorts. I th I think allowed sorts or query dot sort. I'm trying to think. So sort by has to be used. Okay. Oh, because query dot sort. Okay, so this value stores these, and it should just display these. Only thing I'm confused about is how I'm gonna put directly access these values. I'm not really sure, honestly. Unless I do like, unless I just do this, which actually would make sense. Given name Drake. But now I gotta do this. Get all used by sort really quick. Um, get all users. Get all used by minimum age. Okay. I'm actually on the right path, I'm pretty sure. Get all users. Get all users by age range. No, by sort. Sort by. Const DBs. Oh wait. Let's debug the sort by. Or should I do sorted by? Maybe that's works better. Same thing, but const query date. Should I do const query is I'm gonna kind of follow this and see what happens. If sort by is given name return. Wait. Oh, should I leave? I should probably leave the actual like this should go in the database. Yeah, that would make sense. Query that sort. If sort show this, if sort show this, if not return invalid sort parameter. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT actually. Um, see everything before the try. Let's see what ChatGPT says. Explain. Let's do explain. Should this code go in my database file, database file. I'm gonna show this in the window. Okay, let's see what they say. This code relies on setting up parameters, logic simple part of the request handling process, controller of service layer rather than directly in the database file. Oh, this is the controller part of the. Oh, this shouldn't go in the database. Okay, this is where, a little lesson real quick, this is where you handle incoming HTTP requests. You can place this code in a function that processes the request and prepares a query object for pass to the database layer. Oh yeah, because anything you do before the database should be here, and then say, then just go to the database, get it, and then come back. Okay, yeah, so any like sorting like this that's not connected to the database necessarily shouldn't go in the database. Okay. Service layer. I'm not sure service layer is, but I don't know. Placement and controller layer. This is what I'm at right now. Constant get users. I don't even know what this means. Const get users equals rec sort by rec dot user. What? A rec dot query. Um, constant allow sorts is given name. Should I do that? Sort by rec. I already did this. Oh, that's because they don't have all my code. I already did this. Allowed sorts. Okay. Let query equals blank. Okay. I did that too. Or yeah, I did that in the beginning of the code. If all sorts includes by given name sort. Okay. Else return. Yeah, everything. It goes underneath the else. Else. Boom. Use service dot get users request users. Um get users then query. Oh, it would return query, huh? Get users query. I might not even have to make this get used by sort because it's already sorting here. I guess that makes sense. I'm also gonna fix my code a bit quickly because I was looking up. It says there's no point of having these try catches on everything. Wait, does it say in my assignment I should wrap it in try catch? Um, it doesn't say I have to use a try catch, I'm pretty sure. Okay. It's basically saying it's better practice to use a try catch around the entire thing instead of that and also putting it around each thing of code. So I can get rid of this and then this try statement. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for each of these really quickly. I'll do it as I go actually, so I'm not just wasting too much time. Like this try catch. Oh yeah, no. Or the thing of code, just one try catch. Yeah, try catch. Because I want to try all of this and then catch it as soon as something goes wrong. We'll see. I gotta go back and add some try catches to it. I'll just ask ChatGPT to do it so I don't waste too much time. Try. What does this one end at? Wait. Okay, this wraps the entire thing. I can even do this. Yeah, get all users. I think that's fine. And I can get rid of this. But Will I not be able to do this? Oh, I can't do that. I'm not gonna mess with that because I already did these return statements. So I'm gonna just leave it how it is for now. If anything, I'll just worry about that at the end of it. Um, let's try those again. Actually, well, no, the only thing I changed was this. So I need that to try catch, then I will. Yeah, cause see, they don't even use a try catch here. Some if else should be good enough. If else use service get users by query. Let's try it. See what happens. User service? Is that what they named it? Where did this come from? User service. Call the database layer with the query. Get users. Const users. Wouldn't it just be the same thing as await get all users by I don't know. Get all users by sort. Status JSON users. Get all users by sort. I don't know how this will work, so I'm not doing that. I already did this, so it doesn't make sense. I already did this. Sort by. Is there a way to sort in database? Like search for? Find users. Let me just do that. Const results. Yeah, this one's a bit weird. Users.find.sort. Oh, I guess you would have to do dot sort, right? Sort by. So this actually seems right. Users find. You sort it by what you were looking for. This actually seems right. Return results. Okay, I like this. Now we try and see what happens. Given name Drake. Did something. It didn't necessarily work, but it did return. It returned all users, but it didn't return a specific thing. Given name Drake. I need to add some. Oh, I'm not even using the actual thing. That, yeah. Get all users by sort. Get all users by sort. Comma. Oh, get all users by sort. It's not defined. It is not defined for some reason. Get all users. Oh, missing a T. Get all users by sort. Close this. Get all users by sort. Now that should be working perfect. Then I gotta import it up here. Get all users by sort. Now it should be working. Let's try again, see what happens. Turn the same thing. We're gonna have to debug this and see what I'm getting back. Sort it by, which is not even returning. Debug sort it by. Let's connect to the database still, as expected. Let's go down some. Get all users by sort by um like query equals sort by uh huh service layer uses async query. Oh, this is how they want me to do it. Because it says service, but user model interacts with database. Yeah, user model. I don't have the service, but Query dot sort. So something similar to this, but I still need to debug this somehow. Um, we're gonna try this. Oh, yeah. Hashtag fix. How would you debug this? Being set multiple times. Oh, without the correct sorting parameters. Redundant query dot sort assignments. Um, get all redundant query dot sort. Oh, these are redundant. How? Okay. Well, I can't remove that. That's part of this lab. Pass to the get all uses by function. Okay, so that's not supposed to be returned by sort by. Apparently. Next is supposed to return query, which makes sense actually. Let's retry it. This don't. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. There we go. Let's try doing it by query instead. Query dot sort. Oh, see that makes sense. It even probably says there too. Console.log query sort. Um, else. Let's see what they did here. If sort by console.log sort by what? Logs the sort by value. I don't need that. Query that sort by console.log query sort. Yeah, this should return whatever I looked up. Else query sort console.log. I guess I can just do console.log. I don't really. Yeah, console.log debug. Same shit. Let's see. Query dot sort question mark cool console else console dot error. Just so I don't have to leave my actual page. Valid sort parameter else. Is another else? Sort by is not defined. Oh, I even okay. Invalid sort parameter. Console dot error. I don't know if this is right or not. Sort. I'm getting an error, so not defined. Yeah, it's not right. I don't know why they're doing multiple else statements if sort by doesn't make sense. Or does it? Oh, else this one. Oh, there's no else after this? What the fuck? That's the problem. Let's delete this one. I didn't realize that. Else constant error not defined, but I can get rid of this. And then that has to go outside of this because this is only once it's finished. Maybe that's not right. I thought it looked right. Cause users. Hold up. If else. If else. This is should this be try catch? Now I'm confused. This try catch is for the entire block of code, not just this one. Oh man, it's complicated sometimes. I guess once you check everything, this seems right. I'm not getting error or anything, so if else Cool. Let's see how I do the other code. If no mage, try catch. Same thing. Yeah, right before the catch, you put the correct like get and everything. Let's try this real quick. I got the console errors. I got everything else. Let's try. Sort by is not defined. That's sick. And that's sort by is not gonna caught an error. Oh man, being passed correctly to this function. I don't get it, bro. I don't get it at all. And sure, query is defined and it's an object. So query has to be an object. This makes no sense to me. Nah. I'm gonna tell it to explain my code to me because I don't even really know 100% sure what my code is doing. I don't want this final. This is fine. See, explain what my code is doing. It's confusing. Let's do this. While that's loading, I want to make sure I understand this. Get users async query. Same thing. Get users sort by find dot sort. Yeah, find dot sort. Should this be query? I guess it should be query, right? I don't necessarily think that matters too much because I guess we'll see. Oh, yeah, it goes to every line. Okay, let's skim through this real quickly. Provided, um, only thing is query might have sort by might have to be an object. Set the value of sort by. Allow for sorting, validate, allow sorted array. Okay. That might be wrong. I have my allowed sorts, but I'm pretty sure it's right. Based on sort by. I think this is fine. Appropriate sorting criteria, sort by its given name, it sorts by given name. Oh, I just realized that. I don't have to type in a specific value. I literally just have to type in, this has to be sort by, and then this has to be like given name or something like that. I see. I was overthinking it. My code probably still isn't correct, but I'm in the right direction now. Okay, that's better though. Give us server error. I see. Yeah, sort by has to be one of these names. Then the database gets the name and it sets it. That's how it would work in Atlas, Atlas search. Failure sort by sets the query object over sorting criteria. Okay. Give a name, ascending order, and then descending order. Okay. Log the sorting criteria. It's the console for debugging purposes. Connect the database, sort by, turn the results, queries the user's collection of source results based on the sort by criteria. That seems right based on the sort by criteria. I'm not sure why I'm getting a server error though. Let's do this. Sort by. That I mean, I don't know. It's confusing. Let's try again. I'm not gonna error connect to natives and everything, so let's see if that worked. Given name, it should be in ascending order. So start at the A's. A, Anthony, Chris, Derek. Okay, it's looking good so far. Drake. Drake will come after Derek. Matt. I think it worked, which is actually very impressive because that normally takes me a lot longer. So Anthony and then ends at Drake or Matt. That might be a coincidence though, but we're gonna see. Could not find. Why is it not? What? Wait, why did it work before, but now it doesn't? If I sort by. Oh, okay, it just had an error midway through. We'll fix that quick and make sure it really works. After this one, I don't want to make the video too long, so I'll cut it into like multiple parts. Um, like I'll probably actually there's only two more. How long is this video? 36 minutes. If it ends up being like an hour, so that's fine. I wanna at least finish this part to show the process of what it looks like to really like sit here and figure everything out. And then I'll make a separate video on this. This might even be two videos, but I'll know what to do kind of now. So I probably just it might be the exact same. This might be a way shorter video, but you look to see me do like this. Like I've already done all of this for the user list endpoint. So to see what that process looks like. Now I'm going to fix this really quickly. This is because of my returns and everything. This is kind of so much code. I'm about to go through and organize all this after this. I make this video, so next video, it's easy for me to navigate through all this. Can I say that since the client? Um, can I set headers up there since the client? Um, after there since the client. So what point is since the client? Return. Return this just to make sure that return. Apparently fixed it. That one little thing right there. I could also return this. I don't think that's necessary though. Let's try it. Yeah, maybe that simple sometimes. A one layer. Now let's try to get all users. Let's see. D. Okay, that actually did work. That's what I was thinking. I was like, I don't know if that's a coincidence or not. That's beautiful. I love that. See that? Because given name Drake. D. Given name Matt. DM. Derek. D. Oh, that's fire. Okay, I'm glad I figured that out. I figured out pretty quickly too. If anything, I'll probably do a switch statement because it'll look cleaner. But I'm not doing that right now though. I might be able to just go through all these really quickly. Actually, I can just check these off. Given name. I gotta try them though, just to make sure. Let's do family name. Let's just go through and try all of them real quick. Sort by family name. Boom. Family name. Brown. Develly. BD. Josh. White. I got two of them. Right? They both. I know I changed the name. It's the same one? No, these are different. They each have the same last name. Okay, it's looking good so far. Traded dates, 3rd, 30th. Okay. Let's see what else. Family name. Let's do this really quickly. Sort by given name, family name, role, developer, quality analyst. Let's close this real quick. Created date. Created dates going from top to bottom, from ascending order. 28th, 30th, 3rd. Well, that's the thing though. So it can't. It's gonna prioritize this before it prioritizes that because this one was created before, but the family name is a W, so it would make sense to put it above this one, even though it was made before. But yeah, as long as it does the main one, that's the whole point of it. It's supposed to get role. Then it also, let me see, does this works? Yeah, the only way to really do all three is if you have a big database. It's like given name, Chris, Anthony, Matt. Yeah, it's always gonna prioritize what you wanted to do first. Let's see, we got newest and oldest. Let's try that real quick. That's actually pretty cool. This is pretty much the same thing as this, except it's less specific. Takes the newest, 3rd, 30th, 29th, 28th, 26th. Let's get the oldest. Let's close that. Oldest, 26th, 28th. Did I type that right? Oldest. Can assume it's fine. Everything else turned out fine. So I don't know if it's getting the date from this last update or not. So it looks like it is though. 28th. That one might be a little bit off, but I don't know. That one was just weird. Created date one. It's supposed to be getting top ascending. So 26th, 28th, 29th, 30th. Oh, it is. Okay. Just had to make sure. Yeah, all these work perfectly fine. Else just sourced by whatever. Okay. It just does the original. Just sorts it regular. Oh no, it's saying if it's sort by, but there's no value. What's else do? Oh, it just does original. Sort by is not defined. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's saying if you sort by something else, it'll just okay. That's saying new rules being added, but then it'll have to be in the allowed sorts. Okay. I don't know if this lies necessarily, but I'll figure it out later. I don't know if that's needed or not. Console.log. Oh, I haven't looked at these yet. Sorted by object. I want to display these, not just be object, but um, that's cool though, right here. Query sort tells you role, given name, created date. I just wanted to show the exact parameters. Uh, yeah, created date one, -1. That's cool. I like that a lot. Sorted by database. Sort by. Would it have to be query.sort? Um, I'm not sure how we get the exact value. I'm not sure if you can get the exact values or like list them. Query does sort. I don't know. It works, so I'm not gonna worry too much about listing these. Ooh, that will be nice though, but I'll leave it how it is for now. Not gonna mess it up. load this back up. So all these look good. Did an if statement. Okay. But we got page size, page number. I've seen like example of these, so I know these aren't like super hard. It's like one line of code for each one. I'm pretty sure 1 or 2 lines of code, but we gonna figure it out real quick. Right underneath there, if else. Oh no, it's not supposed to be an else statement. Okay, I forgot about that. Yeah, because these don't have else statements. Okay, cool. If it's not sort by, then it just doesn't do anything at all. Let's look at this, which is fine. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, that's a good catch by me. If page size, I think that's what he said. If page size, oh, I gotta make the a param, a query. Page size, perfect. If page size, set it to query dot query dot page size, page size. Then we're gonna do. I guess I don't have to do try catch. I mean, I guess it is nice. This doesn't make sense though. Like, it's just returning the exact same. I mean, I guess no, it actually does. That's fine. I just don't think I need these try catches on these ones. I'm pretty sure. Cause like, didn't this one do without a try catch? Yeah, there's no try catch here. It's just if else statements. Else. We're gonna try without a try catch this time. I think either way is fine though, but specifies the number of items per page to be displayed. Default to 5 not provided. Um, let's see. Constant um users. Should I keep doing this? Constant users. Get users by page size. We're gonna see what this does. Oh, I guess instead of doing if else, try catches. If try users I'm just gonna stick with try catches for now. I'll ask my teacher about it. See what works better. Try, and then catch would be after this. Catch error. Okay. Returned, failed to fetch by size. Okay. Yeah, I don't mind this. If try, then can I just do all of the? I'm trying to think. I think it's an easy way to do this, but maybe I'll just do this and then yeah, get by page size. I'm pretty sure I could just do like a what's that one? Let me open a atlas real quick. Get by page size. I could do something like this where it's like db dot users dot aggregate. I think it might be easier way, but I know this does work. db dot users dot aggregate. I'd have to enter the ID of this. ID. I haven't done aggregate in a while, so I'm gonna look this up really quick actually. Aggregate. Mongo DB aggregate. I got permissions to see the syntax for this. Match group. I might pull up my old assignment because this is an example I want. I want a more in-depth method. I give you a basic match group sort because I don't think I use match. ID of get page number. Oh, just be the entire thing. It'd be dot find user. Yeah, you'd find the users. I think I think I'm in the right direction. Let's do get all users. Basic function. Get all users by page size. Be page size. Then be await page size. Find limit. Oh yeah, because it's like limited to 10 pages. That's the thing. How do I test this? I only have one page. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm just using. This is kind of what I was gonna do anyway. That's the only reason I'm starting to like type out more or like even sometimes disabling it just to like challenge myself because I don't like it just giving me answers all the time. And I like to ask questions instead. Collections that users not find, limit page size. That looks right. That's what I was thinking. I think you just do a dot find dot limit. I don't need to aggregate. I don't think any of these I probably have to aggregate at all. Now I gotta make sure I import this. Is there a way to quick fix this so it just does it? Does this just type it for me? Or do I have to just go there? Nah, that's fine. It's only 2 lines of code. If anything, I can, nah, I'll just let it auto input. Get all users by page size. Come right here, get all users by page size, and then come right here, import it at the top. Get all users by page size. Okay. Scroll back down. Gotta use by page size. Let's go and test this out and see what it returns. Console.log. Just do debug also. Bug user string. Oh, stringify is how it would show all of these. I forgot about that. JSON.stringify. Um, yeah, I could debug here and stringify it. Bug user. Sorted by. Um, that's fine. JSON.stringify query. I'll come back to that. Cool. Um, debug user JSON.stringify. Make sure I got something in the database to debug. Okay, let's just go ahead and try that real quick. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make sure to. Actually, I might as well test this real quick, see what it returns. Family name. Oh, okay, just it still does object. Oh, I would have to stringify this, I think. Let's try that. See what it does. Stringify. JSON.stringify sort by. One more time. Okay. Database. Yeah, family name. Database. What shows it? It doesn't spring back the actual full information, but that's good enough. I'm gonna get rid of these anyway to clean up the code. Or at least in the, like, these. It just takes up a lot of code, a lot of unnecessary resources. Um, use it by email. Where's I at? Page size. Let's type page size real quick. I think it's just camel case. Page size. I'm not even sure how this works. Let me read it. Let me just type 4. I'm not sure how this will work. Oh, I still have sort by on. My fault. Page size 4 failed to catch. Gotta implement it right, but obviously it's gonna display it because that's the easy part. Figuring out how to. I don't think I need that right now. Page size, specifies number of page per number of items per page. Okay, yeah. Okay. Use oh it tells it does here. Use limit or dollar sign limit. I guess this is for aggregation, and this is for dot find. Okay, default to 5 if not provided. Oh, okay. Yeah, I just gotta make sure to read that. Default to 5. If it if page size, put it in the query. Query.sort. Put it in the query.sort. Oh no, that's called query.sort because this one's called sort by. Okay, it adds it in the query as page size. Page size. Try users equals await get all users by page size. Then return. It didn't return this one, or did it? A string of users. Default to 5. Specify the number of items per page, and use limit. Okay, it's three things. Page size. It's failed to get by page size. So something went wrong here. Get all used by page size. Do I have to do like some of this logic? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, I think all of them, the rest of these can be done like this one. Or it's all done inside of the, yeah, inside of the method. I forgot what it's called for a second. Um, let's see. Get all used by page size. Page size. How do I do this one? Users dot find dot sort by, send it to an array. I have it set up the exact same way. Did I do JSON a stringify for this one too? What is this? What would it even return for this? I'm gonna test it real quick. It didn't. That's the same thing. I gotta fix that though. Um, await collection users dot find dot limit. There's something missing. Limit to 4. That seems fine though. Limit it to 4. What does dot limit exactly do? Or do a little bit of research. I mean, it should be fine. MongoDB dot limit. I was wondering why I wasn't returning. Dot limit. I don't want aggregation. I want limit method. The limit method specify number of documents. Cursor dot limit. Oh yeah, those are cursors. Auxiliary cursor. Okay, cool. DB collection name find dot limit number. Exactly what I did. Find query. Something's missing though. To optimize databases. Okay. Database geeks for geeks. Geeks for geeks. 8 documents contain the content. Find. Okay. 8 documents. Limit to. Should I try this? See what happens in there. So users db.users.find. Let's close these real quick. db.users.find. Okay. Dot find. db.users.find. Oh. Dot limit. Limited to 4. That work? Or no? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that works. That's exactly how it should be set up too. Yeah, 'cause these automatically have it. Um, passing two method. I don't know if it's gonna give me an answer or not, but use specified number of documents turned query performance reducing client load. Okay, that makes sense. It's easier. It loads quicker and everything. Page size. Users. It's something up with. Wait. Hold up. Let's make sure this one. Let's close this one. Make sure I have the exact same thing. Only difference I have is debug user, which I probably don't even need because I'm getting it right here. Yeah, I don't need this because I'm getting that returned by the database anyway, which is where I wanted to be returned anyway. It's on the database telling me where it's coming from. Um, return to users. Return. Fail to get. I'm not sure why it's failing to pick it up. Let's try one more time. I don't think that's spell it right. Page size. Page size. There's something like small that I'm missing. Unless I'm doing it the more like complicated way. It's like just do like page size equals. I could do like const page size equals. Nah, you can't do that. Anything that's looking database file is simply for looking in the collection and then doing that. Okay. Oh, that's fine. I don't know. I'm on the wrong way. Wait, connect. Uh, that's fine. Collection users find limit. Is this returning a string or something? Should I do like some like this just to make sure that it's like I know it's like two ISO string, two ISO dot two ISO. Oh yeah, I know I'm not tripping. I know that's a thing. Dot two ISO string, something like that. Two ISO string. Can I? It's only for dates. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, it makes the data string. Okay, I was making sure. Uh, to int, should I convert? I don't even know. Oh, this is weird. So by default, to limit takes a number, and I'm typing in a number. So I'm thinking it's gotta. I have to make sure that limit knows that this is a number. So I'm thinking, yeah, what does it say here? I'm actually onto some. It's returning a string. Can I do two number? It's a number? That actually might work. Yeah. Okay. I got this back. I don't know what that means. Let's try to just do just page size and not stringify it. See what that does. Um, nope. Let me ask ChatGPT, see what my code does. I like it how if you say explain, it doesn't solve it for you. Explain this code. It's actually really nice. If you ask ChatGPT, it'll just give you the answer straight away. So I don't want you to give me an answer. I just want to code explain to me so I know where to fix it. It does say potential improvements though. Add more speaker error handling to catch and log. My error coding not. I got I guess I could add another debug. I don't know why it wasn't working though. Debug user page size. Could not send result. Now the page isn't working. Internal server. Oh my god. Cause if I try this one, okay, it's still up and running. I have to make sure. Um. Okay. Relevant function. Okay. If page size define a truthy, execute. It's useful is already not number. Well, I don't want that because then I don't want you to type in 4. I want it to already be 4. I mean, if anything, I can do something else. It's fine. To number. Wait, what does to number do? Oh, that's just if you want it. If you don't want the value to be a string, it's fine if it's a string. Yeah. Um, Fetching users. The wait keyword is to wait. I know that. Catch block. I don't get why it's not working. Where's the number? Attempts to fetch users from the database with that page size. How would I validate page size? Um, mm, my bad. I'm trying to focus. Forgot I was recording a video for a second. Greater or equal to 1. Return. Oh, nah. That's not gonna work. Why is it? Oh, because if page size. Let's do this. That don't even make sense to be doing all this. We're going to if else, but let's do this. If it's not a number page size. Cool, there we go. Invalid page provided. Then if it is, it continues to go. That's not gonna solve it. Still failing to fetch database for. I'm not sure why it's not returning here though. That doesn't make any sense to me. But whatever. Like this database server. Oh, that's something else. That's a lot of code. Oh my god, so many errors. What just happened? That's not shit. It's showing here user router. It's turning fine. Sorted by. What did I put on here? For the debug. Query sort debug user sorted by JSON or stringer file. Let's close this. I don't know. I might end the video and figure it out. If I don't figure it out in the next like couple minutes, then I'll just leave it as it is. I might be over complicating it, I gotta take some time to really sit here and think about this. Come back to it in a bit. If page size, page size, stringify. Let's try one more time. Page size 4. It could be something as simple as I said, I don't know if I have it up here or not. So I got page size there. Do I have get all users by page size up here? I did. I was gonna be so happy. I was gonna be a little disappointed. I was gonna be happy, like, oh, I figured it out. It's not set properly, but it is. I exported it here, imported it here. Man, I actually like those kind of errors because, like, even though I spent a lot of time trying to figure it out, at least I don't have to worry about code anymore, like debugging. It's just like, oh, I forgot to import it. There's simple but annoying fixes. Better than the hard fixes that are annoying and take you a long time to figure it out. You just get better at the simple over time. But like, oh, first thing, import. Oh, that's good. Okay, now let's actually go through and code it again. So I know what this does now. If it's not a number, invalid page size provided. Method checks the database to see. It doesn't even check. It just does. It's not really much to check for. And they enter a page number. I don't know why it's not showing up. Maybe this line is the problem. That's the only thing I'm thinking of because this debug user should be showing. I'm gonna ask this because I generally am lost and why isn't my debug user showing up in my terminal? Let's see. I hate when it does this. Oh my god. I don't know why I put it over here. It fixes it for some reason. It's filtered by the responsible prompt and try again. Don't do it again, please. I just want to figure this out. Let's give me the same answer it always gives, saying that. I'm gonna console.log. Let's see what it's returning. I think it's gonna. Yeah, I forgot. If the debug's not working, just do console.log. Users. I don't want users. I want page size. Page size. Is that right? It is. Okay. Try again. I mean, I'm getting an error, so of course it's not gonna. Of course it's not gonna show. It's not able to get it from the database for some reason. That's the main problem, actually. It's returning fail. Mm, yes, I was doing stringify page size. Should I have it at right now, actually? Page. Make sure the syntax is correct. Yeah, this looks good, but um, all right. Yeah, I'm not too sure why it's not. Doesn't really make sense. I'm not sure why I'm getting this error. It's not the server. Return res.json. Let's fetch users. I don't know why I'm getting this fail fetch. It's very confusing. Everything looks good. Let's see. Mhm. Maybe it's because I don't have a weight, but I do have a weight. I have everything you need for it to work. I got async. I got a weight. It returns it. Limits page size. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take a break and then come back to it. So I'm gonna end the video there, and I'm gonna figure it out, and then I'll probably figure out the next part as well. Start the next video out showing what I did, and then I'll start on the next list. The what is it? I did these, so then I'm on a bugless endpoint. But yeah, so next video.